Chairman Jongko Umlyngka Primary Milk Producer Cooperative Society uba pi khar beteng ulayam rangbah hagasngi ba umentri rangbah aga jela ukonrat ke sangma rangkat u MLA kathan ba Hamlet Doling ki one man play ye ke milk collection center ni ka jaga pelangdot kerpang na ke benta kashnong Umlyngka habakren hagani ke jingelang uba khar beteng ulai tho baha ke life as nem menshwa ba kiseng ya kate ke kenhun ki kendu shipun ki jing khamtam lei hakipor ba kimyo ya ka baidun ka bala sakut hadu san ni hinrius nem ya kate ke senta ka balate ha ka jinglut ka balakot hadu saupholak tengka latei ling ba ke skim kerpang na umentri rangba ka bakot hadu arfunyau lak tengka kumjoru na ka skim MLA ka balakot kumba khandai lak tengka nakaliang jong UCM ha kani gesngi ula kularu ban bei tengka shusho ya ketiga society khnang bikin la ban penkha kam rasho na ka benta ban aji ka yaki wepan kinong shong shinong ke jela ki bakwa ban shim ya ka kam penmi dot kom kawai na kilat kamai
Primary Milk Cooperative Society na ai kublai ye fi baro kani ka bei kasni ka bakmen ya society hak ban nila yo ban plie ya kani ka collection center ka jingyai lempi ka jungi life arts nem kanthi nila ma ya ka jinja manta kasni ngil yo ya jingjo kadai house nem hat ndai spa proprio pra hakapatan kumba ne laingut kirangba na kasinong Umlyngka kilas dang ya ka kamri masi hak basdang ni de kadot tang arkhol litar chisngi siaka veterinary department hagador ka batang south ka hilitar but lamba ka jing trechitom jang ki katto ka ningut ki rang ki riurong ba kala pelong ya ki wei ki para nongri masi bakin wan ralang ya kadot bangi ka sai bangi but house name khat khandai spa khandai pho jingtri sitam jangki para ri nongri masi kala seiso but hado bangi lala ban seng ya ka society ka bangi ai ka teng ka Umlyngka Primary Milk Producer Cooperative Society kata kapor ka office jong ka assistant registrar kala mi syahman bat kalau kelai ban yarap ya ka society ha padeng ke jing ka bakrau ka society ha ni ka por kala chimi garai baka nung kan ron dir nrei ba te son ya ki para members bakin long ki ba yacha but house name arhaja nriu ka veterinary department kala seulut ya ki builder baro but ha ni ka por ka society kalau dau dah kecingkemen kepakrau nama kila yo man siu lut ya karam ya kepak kilala ban siulut ikaram kecak ke bagi ketengan trikam jang ka sarkal jela kum ka veterinary department ka cooperative department ka MLA kilai rap kibon kum juru ketengan sarkar kari India bat lu kidu kimet ki balayarap ha ka babon kilang
Kibikor, kiba Christom yet society, life arts nem, bandan society ban sakri kamle ka kam ka baso. Kini ka kam kamay jakpo, ka kamay ka ji, sibon ba jing e ni kando, sibon ba ngai shong itu kana ba pis juga pi kando. Apalagi jing jarum pi ba kam sunyo ya bil ka jong piru, sando sem piasa, kamle ka kam ka baso. Kay ay mo ibulay uyalam ni kinangam jong society ukasana ay buar bagakam kay BRT bag kani kalong kumalang menta baniyo on lang kumne bapi day na marmi kemene biniyo ban ay ban sim kagyan juga ban sim jikhe ban biniyo ipi kani ko office bag ka juga palang dot ya baka pisa rasnyang naglang jong chimnasar barakyang jonga namata kasiya be juga kapjam jong society epi barapi kerpang members of society kenma of society kendai ke ban kersang ya kam jompi ke jakapo ke jompi kiri kam dei ke bayarap ipi tang sin san snem re pateng la paket kiri ke bil proses tare kan yarap ya ki kisam jompi nam da kam jompi mentaki kimi ki pa ki le ini kakam kan boy kapor bagi khonjong biru simpi ban batang ya kini kekam ke berang kekam berimasi kekam spider nak kau kini kamram jumpi berjangah ban persen bat kerjang iki haki puar pemerintah la trai sama pi member bakna nyelayo kini ye bat mal sal sisi di khonjpi kin chuan pedon kambe ya kini ye balai nama la trai stom mapi members ban ngakum nom kama pateng la paket kene kendai kan nomuna kebanirap ya kawai pegawai ke yeng kawidan mata ke society bagdam daru hakam rimasi ke jompi.
But then when the Honorable MLA came and told me about what the Umlyngka Milk Society is doing out here, as he mentioned, it did not even take me 1 second to decide that I have to give this money. And it's simply because I know that you already are doing so much that if we as leaders cannot support you when you need it the most, then we are failing in our duty to be able to make your lives better. And that is the reason why we are here. And let me tell you that the way I've seen the things happen, I can assure you that we will help even more. So the additional funds you require for the additional building, I'm happy to help you with that. And I will ensure that wherever we can get the funds from, your Honorable MLA and myself will work together to ensure that your additional building funds come. So that with that you'll be able to give training, not just to the people here in Umlyngka, but hopefully to the whole of East Khasi Hills district. And not just East Khasi Hills, maybe it'll become a regional training institute in the long run. But that's the kind of vision and idea with which you need to work. And you must, and we all must appreciate what Kharbating has been doing. And the last 30 years, I can only imagine what it must have been. And the journey that he must have gone through. The journey that the different members must have gone through. The challenges that they must have faced, not knowing what they are doing and how they will succeed or whether it will happen or not. But it's just that passion in their hearts that made them believe that they should go ahead. And they just wanted to do this, and they went ahead. And I'm sure that in their minds and in their hearts also, they must have never thought that one day they will see this kind of a center out here. So I'm sure that there must sense of satisfaction, especially for the founding members, must be at a different level. So I once again would like to take this opportunity to congratulate all the founding members for the vision that they had to really take things forward and realize that so much can be done. And today, as a government, we realize that vision. And we realize that if we can work together we can not only achieve that vision and that goal, but while we do that, we can transform the lives of our people. Today, almost close to 2.5 lakh metric tons of milk is required. And more than 50% to almost 60% is not available. Which means there's a huge market within the state of Meghalaya itself. If you just calculate it at a rate of about 40 rupees, even 30 rupees, 30 rupees to 50 rupees if you were to calculate per litre, the amount comes up to hundreds of crores, in 700 crores, 800 crores of milk is required in our state every year. And if this mission were to go and move like the Amul mission went, then this money will go to all of you. And hence, within our own consumption, within what the state already needs, and within what you will produce, and what this society will do, not only the society but the people will earn. The citizens will get the milk that they require. What we call in English as a win-win situation. And this is possible not just in milk, but in every other product that the Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department has, including poultry, piggery, goatery, fish. In all of these products, 50% of it is bought from outside. Thousands of crores of money is given to outside the state to be able to purchase what we need to eat every day. So why can't we convert this into an opportunity where this money will go to you? And that is the thought process with which all the missions have started. Be it the piggery mission, poultry mission, goatery mission, aqua mission. And I'm very happy to see that we are getting a very positive response. And I'm sure that as we move along, the Umlyngka Milk Society, the Primary Milk Cooperative Society, will act as a great example for not just East Khasi Hills but for the whole state, to show how things can be done.